Back here on the GTO, gotten all of our MSD harness wiring together. These two will be routed over and out. One is tack signal, and the other is for our two-step. So I'm gonna have it so they just kind of shoot off out of here. I can pull this out now, so Wick can take this home and clean it, because he wants to, clean and paint. I'm just gonna take all our labels off here, put more wrap on this. She's all done. All right, done and wrapped. Got our stuff marked that we need to still hook up coming out, but it looks good. And then that's gonna go kind of like that. Done deal.